Hey guys, I finally got the AirPods Pro that I ordered the other day. And it's actually Halloween right now, so there's people outside and they're just like, hey, we want some candy, right? So I put a bucket of just chips or something like that just outside. So hopefully they won't come knocking on my door when I'm recording this unboxing. As you can see, I had the first generation AirPods, but I did not try out the AirPods 2 or the wireless charging one, so this hopefully would be like a really new experience. I do have a knife with me that I'm going to be using because I love using knives. Okay, so I'm assuming I'm just gonna open it up like this. Well, that's not working. Why am I struggling with unboxing Apple products? That's not very safe. That is not safe. Okay, I did it. So cool. Oh wow, look at this. I wonder what it is. It's not like it's gonna be AirPods Pro or anything like that. Let's hope I don't wreck the box when I open it. Why does the box open like this? Oh wow, that looks really cool. Alright, I'll just cut along this edge. And we got the box. Let's just throw this on the ground. Oh wow. Look, the box is basic. The box is the exact same size, except it's thicker than the original AirPods. A lot thicker, actually. I am so excited. We got a pull tab right here, so I think we should pull it. Actually, before I do that, what does it say? AirPods Pro wireless charging case. Why does it have to say wireless charging case though? It's not like they sell one without the wireless charging case. AirPods Pro, yep, wireless charging. I think that's about it. I'll just open the tab. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh no, what the heck? Okay, let's try that again. Oh yes. Okay. Let's just open it. This costed me $390 after tax here in Canada. So really quite expensive. What's wrong with the box? It's not opening like the other ones. Designed by Apple in California. Oh wow. Look at this. Look at this. This is some thick casing. Oh yes, that sounds so good. Hey, let's put this aside for a bit, and then let's see what else is inside the box. Oh, we got this, like the custom silicone tips. That's nice. And USB-C to Lightning. Wow, so this is a how long is this cable? Okay, so yeah, this is 1 meter by 1 meter. USB-C to Lightning. I'm assuming they gave you this because they knew if you were to get the AirPods Pro, you probably have the iPhone 11 Pro, and they gave the 18-watt USB-C charging brick. There. Yes, this is the iPhone 11 Pro. If you want to see me comparing the cameras and stuff, you can watch my videos. It's also on my channel. Oh, I also have the normal AirPods. Where do I have it? It's in my pockets. This is the normal AirPods. I wrap them. Here's a size comparison. Yeah, it's considerably larger than before. It's the same thickness though. It's just like fat AirPods. Huh, alright. Let's finally open it. I still have, I'll just put this aside. Let's open it. I still haven't seen it. Oh wow. Oh. It's so small. This is so small. And it looks kind of weird because it's on an angle. But I really like it. This is the right side, right? It feels really comfortable. I don't know how... I sound so weird. The silicone tips, it's just making things sound weird. These are the normal AirPods, and you could just see the difference. Actually, I'll take out this one, and I'll put on the normal AirPods so you can see the differences. This stem feels way shorter. Here, I'll compare these. This is the normal AirPod, and this is the AirPods Pro. It's way smaller and shorter. It's just, yeah, look at that. These look so weird now. It's so long. Alright, I'll put this back. Oh, I still haven't seen the paperwork. Let's see what it says. AirPods Pro. That's just some user manual. Who needs that? We're pro users. We're pro. Who needs to read the manual? How do I put this back? It's... Oh, okay. Well, I'm sorry. I'm just not smart. It's... Okay, yeah, it's working. It's working. It's working. I put it back. I'm so proud of myself. Now I'm gonna try to connect these to my phone and then hopefully be impressed by the audio because... Oh, wait. I don't know if that is more satisfying or less satisfying. It's definitely more chunky and I think I like it a little bit more actually. Oh, and the old ones are glossy with the glossy metal. This is matte. Huh. That's really cool. Now let's connect these guys. Here, yep. Here's my phone, and here's my AirPods Pro. Let's do it. AirPods Pro. There we go. And... Wait, so how do I set this up? I think I just put this in my ear, right? And it's connected. Oh, wow. Yeah, these definitely feel more comfortable than the old AirPods. I'm really liking it so far. And, okay, so right now it's noise cancellation. I honestly don't hear anything right now. All I hear is just myself. I can't even like talk now because it's almost like it's blocking out my own thinking. It's creepily quiet though. Okay, let's turn everything off. This is what it feels like. It's so much different. I hear the ambient sounds, and here's what the heck? Here's transparency mode. Wait, what? I hear everything. It's almost like I'm not wearing... Changing the volume doesn't change the way everything sounds. I'm literally speechless by how good this is. And I've heard if you just do that, you can switch. It's so much more... For this one feature alone, you should get the AirPods Pro over the AirPods, okay? Just... Apple, thank you so much. You are the absolute best. But I've heard that you can also just test which of the silicon tips you should wear in the Bluetooth settings. Let's see. Ear tip fit test. Alright, let's see. Test the fit of your ear tips. Continue. Place AirPods in both ears so they're comfortable and secure. Then press play to fit test. To test fit. Oh, it's making this sound. Do not remove AirPod. Good seal, good seal. Okay, okay. It played this like sound. Done. So it said that it's a good fit. But what if I want to try the smaller ear tips? Because right now I'm just using the medium ones. Let's see. I know this video is getting... Wait. How do you take it off? I really don't want to break this because I just got it. I can't take it. You have to really pull on it. I mean, that means it won't fall off, so I guess it's a good thing. Oh, so you just push it? But... Wait. I am so confused. How do you put this back on? Oh, I got it to work. I'm just... Okay, so you just push it in. It's super simple. I don't know why I didn't figure it out. So you just take this and then you push. And it's in. Okay, what the heck is that sound? Scary. I mean, it's Halloween, so it should be scary. Here's the small ones. Let's see how that sound. I don't think I like this more than the other one. Let's do the test. Ear tip fit test. Good seal, good seal. Okay, it's still saying it's a good seal. But I'm not sure, like, if I should use the small one or the medium ones. I really hope that the medium ones are the one that's best for me, so that I can feel normal. Oh no, the large ones definitely do not fit as well.
Okay.
Good seal, good seal. Okay, okay. The large ones definitely do not fit as well, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with the medium ones because those are, I think, the best for me, which is what I like. I mean, this video is really getting really long. Oh wow. I mean, just stay tuned for the actual review of the AirPods after I use it for a few days. Because, like, my first impression of these are absolutely amazing. How do I put this in? Oh, okay. Yeah, so these are absolutely just phenomenal. Way better than the old AirPods. So if you are thinking if I should get the old one or add $50 to get the new one, definitely get the new one. It's so worth it for everything you get, especially the noise cancellation. It sounds like nothing is in the room with you. So if you just have the extra money, be sure to go with the AirPods Pro over the AirPods. Thank you for watching this entire video. I'm sure it's more than like 10 minutes long, which probably would make it the longest video I've ever made. So yeah, just if you enjoyed it, be sure to press the like button and even subscribe to see my review when it actually drops. And that's about it. So click something on the screen and I guess I'll see you later. Bye.